Are you looking for the best keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the best keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Redragon S101 Wired Gaming Keyboard. A solid choice for the best keyboard and mouse combo in terms of value for the money. This wired keyboard is fully backlit and ergonomically designed, plus features a 6-button mouse. This splash-proof, backlit keyboard and mouse combo is a great value for gamers and students as well. It features precise keys with good feedback, a full array of programmable function keys and 12 multimedia keys. It also comes with a 6-button gaming mouse that has some nice specs like Teflon feet and an 8-piece weight tuning set for precise, customizable tracking. The connection is via an included 5-foot-long USB cable, and while there's no wireless, the cable is long and durable enough. It works with Windows 10, 8, 7 and Vista, and has basic keyboard functionality with macOS as well. Did we mention this a great gaming keyboard as well? If style is important to your setup, take a look at the best backlit keyboard. Number 2. Logitech K400 Plus Wireless Keyboard. Easy to set up and compatible with a wide range of home devices, this multifunctional keyboard has a built-in touchpad, a great tactile response and customizable function keys. This multifunction keyboard is one of the best smart TV and home device keyboards in its class thanks to a simple setup and built-in trackpad for convenience. It also has good wireless connectivity and a USB port to connect it to a PC or smart television. It's a great keyboard for gaming and work as one of the best keyboards for programming Raspberry Pi devices too. Read our guide on the best CPU fans to keep your computer temperature cool. While it doesn't have backlit keys or offer Bluetooth as some other wireless keyboards do, it has fully customizable F keys and offers broad compatibility with Linux, Windows 7 and up, and Chrome operating systems. This keyboard's ease of use definitely puts it in the running for the best smart TV keyboard. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Elite Gaming Keyboard. This gaming keyboard features optomechanical switches promising unmatched clicking speed, plus a plush wrist rest and dedicated media keys. A popular choice among gamers, esports aficionados and Twitch streamers looking for the best keyboard for gaming, the Huntsman Elite has ultra-fast and precise keys thanks to its optical mechanical mechanism, which claims to preserve satisfying click feedback while shortening the key's travel distance to 1.5 mm and increasing actuation speed. This combination of quality and speed makes it our pick as the best keyboard for WoW and other intensive gaming applications. It also comes with programmable macro keys and a plush, leatherette magnetic wrist rest to help ward off carpal tunnel. Chroma RGB underlighting is standard and the keyboard comes with a 2-year warranty and claimed 100 million click lifespan. Number 4. Corsair K55 RGB Gaming Keyboard. This well-designed keyboard for gaming features an integrated palm rest and is IP42 rated, making it dust and splash resistant. This full-size keyboard is a good value considering its IP42 rated dust and splash resistance plus attractive key font and dynamic RGB lighting. You can also set it to be one-color backlighting or turn off the backlighting as well. If splash resistance is a priority, you may find this the best keyboard for gaming in its price range. It's compatible with most recent Windows machines and connects via an included USB cable. Despite its low cost, it's rated highly for durability.